Hello students! In this video, we're going to explore a fun topic in a language called homophones. Let's learn together. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings and spellings. Now let's look into some more homophones. Pair and pair. Pair means two items that go together. For example, I need a new pair of gloves for the winter. Pear is a tasty fruit, like when you say, I enjoy eating a ripe pear for a healthy snack. See and CC means to observe, like I can see the mountains. Sea is a big body of salt water, like the sea is so vast and blue. Here shows a location. For example, I am here in the classroom. Here means to listen, as in, can you hear the birds singing? Flower and flower. A flower is part of a plant. The flower is colorful. Flour is what we use in baking, like, we need flour to make bread. Break and break. Break means to shatter, don't break the glass. Brake is the part of a vehicle that stops it, like a step on the brake to stop the car. Now it's your turn to answer. Give an example of bear and bear. Share your answers in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 4 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.